The overall goal of the following experiment is to test whether people seek softness under uncertainty and to show that such softness seeking is functional in that it reduces uncertainty. This is achieved by using an experimental priming procedure to activate uncertainty versus certainty. As a second step, participants are asked to choose a pen with a soft versus hard grip, which is to test whether people search for softness under uncertainty. The results show that when feeling uncertain, participants choose more often a pen with a soft grip as compared to a pen with a hard grip, whereas there is no difference in pen choice when feeling certain. Secondly, to test whether softness is functional and reduces uncertainty, participants were asked, after uncertainty or certainty was primed, to do an ambiguous task while holding a soft or a hard pen. It was tested whether people feel less uncertain about their answers on an ambiguous task and over time. The results show that after activation of uncertainty versus certainty, level of uncertainty is reduced after holding a pen with a soft grip as compared to a hard grip.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like subliminal priming methods is that participants are asked to mentally simulate certain versus uncertain events due to which the manipulation is more strongly experienced. This method can help answer key questions in the field of social cognition, such as how feelings of uncertainty can be reduced through an experiential route instead of a cognitive route by incidental forms of touch.
Begin by inviting the participants to enter the laboratory, though a normal room was used here for filming purposes. Ask them to sit down in a cubicle.